am going to write a program to convert from one data type to another data type. For that, I am opening this PC G drive and under Learn with TG folder, creating a text file called conversion. Converting type of this file to .java. Now open the file with Notepad to write the program. Defining the class conversion. Defining the main method public static void main string agrs. Defining the variables b of type byte. Giving I with data type int and value 257 and d of data type double with value 323.142. For text, giving as system out println in conversion from int to byte. We did not give value for b at top. Hence here giving it as b equal to byte of I and printing values of I and b. I value is 257 and we given b is 1 as it is byte of I. Now for conversion of double to int, giving I equal to int of d. D value is 323.142 and conversion value integer I is 323 as we return only integer. For conversion of double to byte, giving b equal to byte of d, which returns the values of b and d, that is 323.142 and 67. We will compile and run this program. For that, type cmd here, giving java c conversion.java. It is throwing error as I did not give class name and file name as same. Modifying the class name similar to the file name. Compilation completed without error, so the .class file is also generated. Now type java conversion, which is file name. Here is the output, which returns the values of I is 257 and b is 1 and b and d value as 323.142 and 67.